How to install LinkedIn app in laptop. So if you want to install LinkedIn app in your laptop, then first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Microsoft Store. Under your Microsoft Store, now go with the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for LinkedIn. Once you search here, you will have the LinkedIn application. So if you want to install the application, then you just need to simply go with install option, which will be right here. So for now, I have already installed the LinkedIn application, but if you want to install it, then you will have an install option. Simply click on install and it will take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And you just need to simply wait for some time and you'll be able to download. So in this way, you'll be able to download the LinkedIn application. Once it's downloaded, you can go with your Windows and you can search for LinkedIn, and here you will have the application. So that's how you can install the LinkedIn app on your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.